The 2010 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, heads-up display, power mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.